Hey there! Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best seat covers for Toyota Corolla on the market. If you're looking to elevate the style and comfort of your Toyota Corolla's interior, you've come to the right place. We've scoured through countless options to find the top contenders that not only enhance your car's look but also provide excellent protection and comfort. From luxurious leather to durable, waterproof materials, these seat covers are designed to meet all your needs. Stick around to find out which ones made the cut and why they stand out from the rest. So, check the link in the description below for more details and where to buy these fantastic seat covers. Number 1. Iruan leather car seat covers are an exceptional choice for those looking to enhance their Toyota Corolla's interior while making YouTube videos, offering a universal fit for 95% of vehicles including sedans, hatchbacks, SUVs, crossovers, pickup trucks, crew cabs, vans, and EVs. These covers are crafted from high-grade leather, ensuring maximum comfort during long drives, and their breathable material is waterproof, wear-resistant, and easy to clean, making them suitable for all seasons. The thoughtful design includes pockets on the front seat backs, perfect for storing essentials like cell phones, laptops, and magazines, which helps keep your car organized and clutter-free, ideal for busy content creators on the go. Safety is paramount with these covers, as they are designed to be compatible with airbags, ensuring they will never be obstructed. This makes them not only stylish but also practical and safe. Installation is a breeze, strongly recommended to watch the installation video on the product page before starting. The process is straightforward and takes about 25 minutes without the need for any tools, with installation instructions included in the package. Once installed, the covers stay securely in place, providing a sleek, polished look to your vehicle's interior. The black-gray color scheme adds a touch of sophistication to your car, blending seamlessly with most interiors while providing a professional and clean backdrop for your YouTube videos. Whether you're showcasing car accessories, reviewing automotive products, or simply filming a vlog, these seat covers enhance the aesthetic appeal and comfort of your Toyota Corolla, ensuring your viewers are impressed with the high-quality look of your vehicle. In addition to their aesthetic and functional benefits, these covers are easy to maintain, meaning you can keep your car looking fresh and new with minimal effort, allowing you to focus more on creating engaging content for your audience. Number 2. EKR Custom Fit Corolla Car Seat Covers for select 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019 Toyota Corolla LUL Eco XLE sedan offer an exceptional blend of style, protection, and durability that makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's interior while ensuring long-lasting protection. These seat covers feature a 4-layer construction with foam padding and a protective polyester shell, providing a comfortable seating experience. The leatherette layer not only adds a touch of luxury but also offers high durability, great breathability, water resistance, and ease of cleaning, making them highly practical for everyday use. The stitching is meticulously designed to emulate the factory seat style, seamlessly blending with the car's original aesthetics. High-quality buckles and zippers ensure a secure fit, preventing the covers from slipping or shifting over time. These seat covers are tailor-made to the exact specifications of your Toyota Corolla's seats, offering a perfect fit that protects your seats from spills, stains, and damage, thus preserving the vehicle's resale value. The set includes front and rear seat covers, headrest covers, and airbag cutouts, ensuring comprehensive protection for all seating areas. Despite their custom fit, the covers are designed for DIY installation, though achieving a snug fit might require some effort. For added peace of mind, the product comes with a 2-year limited warranty against defects, highlighting the manufacturer's confidence in their quality. The full set is 100% brand new, providing a fresh and premium look to your car's interior. Whether you're looking to protect your investment or simply want to upgrade the look of your Toyota Corolla, these EKR seat covers offer a perfect solution, combining style, functionality, and ease of maintenance. Number 3. Covero Car Seat Covers Full Set is a top-notch choice for enhancing and protecting the interior of your vehicle, and it's an excellent match for Toyota Corolla car seat covers. The seat covers are made from premium Napa leather, renowned for its softness and durability, coupled with a sleek embossed pattern that adds a touch of luxury and sophistication to your car's interior. The design incorporates high-density silicone padding in the embossed sections, providing superior comfort and support that conforms to your body for a plush seating experience. This memory elastic feature ensures that the seat covers retain their shape and comfort, even after prolonged use. One of the standout features of these covers is their comprehensive protection. They are designed to wrap securely around your seat cushions, offering full coverage that guards against spills, stains, and wear and tear, as well as protecting your original upholstery from harmful UV rays that can cause fading over time. The universal fit of these covers makes them adaptable to a wide variety of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Their innovative sideless design allows them to accommodate essential vehicle functions such as armrests, airbags, cutouts, and seatbelts, ensuring that the covers do not interfere with your car's safety features or comfort. The package includes 2 front seat covers and 3 rear seat covers, along with a detailed manual that guides you through the straightforward installation process. Covero also offers a selection of colors to choose from, allowing you to customize the look of your car's interior to suit your style. Whether you're looking to refresh your car's appearance or provide added protection for your seats, the Covero car seat covers full set combines luxury, comfort, and practicality in a stylish package. Number 4. Oasis Auto Toyota Corolla Accessories Seat Covers 2009 to 2025 Custom Fit Leather Cover Protector Cushion, Premium Full Set, Brown, are an ideal choice for those looking to elevate their vehicle's interior. Specifically tailored for Toyota Corolla models between 2009 and 2025, these seat covers provide a precise, custom fit that ensures a sleek and sophisticated look. Made from high-grade leather, they not only enhance the visual appeal of your car's interior but also offer robust protection against daily wear and tear, spills, and stains. The luxurious brown leather material adds a touch of elegance, seamlessly blending with any car interior while offering a durable barrier to keep your seats in pristine condition. The installation process is user-friendly, with a comprehensive step-by-step video guide available on YouTube by searching Oasis Auto Universal/Tailor Fit Seat Cover Installation. This video will guide you through the entire installation, ensuring that you can achieve a professional finish with minimal effort. The covers are designed for easy fitting, making the installation a straightforward task even for those with limited DIY experience. Additionally, Oasis Auto offers a risk-free purchase with a 30-day money-back guarantee through Amazon Prime, allowing you to shop with confidence. If the seat covers don't meet your expectations, returns are simple and hassle-free. The Oasis promise emphasizes not only the protection of your original seats but also the transformation of your car's interior into a unique and stylish environment. These premium seat covers are not just about aesthetics, they are a practical investment in maintaining and enhancing the comfort and look of your vehicle, making every drive a more enjoyable experience. Number 5. Giant Panda Customized Full Set Car Seat Covers Fit for Toyota Corolla LL 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 in faux leather, black, offer a perfect upgrade for your car's interior with a blend of style and practicality. These seat covers are meticulously designed to fit Toyota Corolla models from 2020 to 2024, ensuring a snug and precise fit that transforms your car's cabin. Made from premium faux leather, the covers deliver a sleek, sophisticated appearance while maintaining a high level of comfort. The leather is soft to the touch, yet resilient, providing excellent breathability and durability to withstand daily wear and tear. This material is also water-resistant, making it easy to clean and maintain, which is particularly beneficial for those who want to keep their vehicle looking pristine with minimal effort. The full cover design of these seat covers is ideal for protecting your original seats from damage caused by spills, stains, and pet hair, thus preserving the value and condition of your car's interior. Featuring a stylish diamond-shaped quilted pattern and meticulous stitching, these covers add a touch of elegance and dimension to your car's seating area. The rich, textured design seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's interior, enhancing its overall aesthetic appeal. Installation is simplified with the included detailed video guide available on the product's details page, and the covers are designed with practical features such as flaps, Velcro, and sturdy buckles. These elements ensure a secure, tight fit and make the installation process straightforward and hassle-free. Whether you're looking to refresh your car's look or protect its seats, the Giant Panda customized full-set car seat covers offer a blend of luxury, protection, and easy maintenance, making them a valuable addition for any Toyota Corolla owner. Thanks for tuning in to our review of Toyota Corolla car seat covers. We've explored a variety of options to help you find the perfect fit for your vehicle. Whether you're looking for durability, style, or comfort, there's a cover out there to meet your needs and keep your seats looking brand new. Remember to consider factors like material, ease of installation, and how well it complements your car's interior. We hope this video has made your decision easier and more informed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Share this video with friends who might also find it helpful, and stay tuned for more updates and reviews.